Hello, today we're going to have a look at how to add background and foreground objects to complete your rendering. When your project is finalized, you are ready to generate an HD visual. Before that, you should add some background and foreground to your project. For a beautiful rendering, you have to fill in all of the white grid. The grid will be a grass field. In the exterior step, use the hedges or walls to mark the limits of ownership. You will be able to change the covering in the materials step. You can also put a hedge or propriety limit in the furnishing step. Create a large grass area around your property. In front of your house, you can draw a road and modify its covering in the materials step. If you want, you can also add sidewalks in the furnishing step. Then choose your point of view and organize the background and foreground. In the furnishing step, add trees and houses. In the HD visual step, use the eye-level camera, making sure you can't see the white grid in front. Select the size of your visual and click on Ask for a rendering. There you go. Now, it's your turn. If you have any questions, the coaches are always there to answer you.